Hello everyone, welcome back. So yesterday we have seen what do you mean by zero memory point processing, right? Now in that which we have seen one topic, that is contrast stretching. So what do you mean by contrast stretching? It means if your image is a bright, then we will make it more brighter, okay? And if the image is dark, then we will make it more darker. Now we will see one example based on this. Suppose in exam they will ask you like this: for following image, find the contrast stretching where the value of input gray level is given, that is R1, R2, and output gray level it is S1, S2. Okay, and the pixel of that image is given. It is denoted by your f of xy. Now this is all given. Now see how to solve this. So first step is what we have, we know the input and output values, right? Input value is 3 and 5 and output is 2 and 6. Okay, so first step is what, you have to draw the graph. And we know that x-axis denotes your R, means your input gray level, and y-axis denotes your S, means your output gray level. First we will plot the points, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 like this, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now next step is what? What is the value of R1? R1 value is 3, right? And value of R2 is 5. So I will denote it. Next is your output value, that is S1 is 2, S2 is 6. So we will plot the graph. Now I will join the input and output. Okay. So I have joined that input and output and the last output. So as we know, this is called what? These are the three slopes we have. Okay, we will denote it by alpha, beta or gamma. You can denote it by ABC or LMN, anything. Okay, now next step is what? We have to find the slope of this part and this part. Okay, now how to calculate slope? If you want to calculate the slope of alpha, we calculate it by x2 minus x1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay, sorry. It's y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. Okay. So if we calculate the slope of alpha, so first is what? x2. x2 is what? Your 2, right? Minus your x1. x1 is 0 here. So value is 0. 2 minus 0, it will be 2. Okay. Divide by x2 minus x1, that is 3 minus 0. Then it will be 3 here. So 2 divided by 3, it is 0.66. Okay. Next, to calculate beta, same formula we will going to use, y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So what is the value of y2? y2 value is your 6 here and y1 value is your 2. So 6 minus 2. x2 is your 5. x1 is your 3. So 5 minus 3. So we will get 4 by 2, which is 2. Similarly, we will calculate gamma value, that is y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. So y2 is what? Here 7, and the limit of this is your 7. Okay, so always remember the limit for the x and y value for input and output, it is 7 only. Okay. So y2 is your 7, y2 is your 7 and y1 is your 6, 7 minus 6. And here x2 is your 7, x1 is your 5. So after calculating this, we will get the value 0.5. Okay. Now we have calculated the value of alpha, beta and gamma. Next step, we have to calculate the threshold. Now at point S, when the value of R, means input is between 0 and 3, then we will calculate the value of alpha, which is alpha into R. Similarly, we will calculate the value of beta by beta into R minus R1 plus S1. Okay, which is where value of R is your 3 to 5. And the value of gamma is calculated by R minus R2 plus X2. Okay, where the value of R in between 5 to 7. You can see here, we have divided it. For alpha, it is 0 to 3. 0 to 3. For beta, it is 3 to 5. For 3 to 5. and for gamma it is 5 to 7. Okay, so this is how we take the range, and this is our formula to calculate the value of output. Okay, now here what is given? The value of R1, R2, S1 and S2 is given already, and we have calculated the value of alpha, beta and gamma here. Now we will put all this value in this and then we will find the output. Okay, so first step is what? Where we will take the ranges between 0 to 7, right? So I will write 0 to 7 input. Okay, now at the point 0 to 3, what we have to calculate? We have to calculate alpha R. Okay, so alpha R. Okay, what is the value of alpha? It is 0.66. What is the value of R? It is 0 multiplied by 0. Okay, next is alpha into R. Alpha is your 0.66 and the value of R is 1. Next is what? Alpha into R. R is here 2 and alpha is 0.66. 0.66 into 2. So this is what we get the output. 0, 0.66, 1.32. Now next range from 3 to 5. Okay. Now we will calculate 4 and 5 here. 3 to 5. 3, 4 and 5. Okay. Sorry, it is range is not equals to, it is only greater than here also. Okay, so we will calculate the value of beta now. Okay, so the equation is what? Beta R minus R1 plus S1. Okay, now we will put, we have calculated the beta value, it is 2. R value is your 3. What is the value of R1? R1 is given 3. 3 minus 3 plus S1. S1 is given 2. That is plus 2. Then we will get the output 2 here. Similarly, beta into R. Now the value of R is here 4. And R1 is what? 3. So 2, 4 minus 3 plus 2, which is equals to 4. Okay. Now we will calculate the value of gamma, which the range of R is from 5 to 7. Okay. Now the formula is gamma R minus R2 plus S2. Now the value of gamma we have already calculated, that is 0.5. So I have placed the value 0.5. R is 5 here. Minus R2 value is 5. Plus S2. S2 is your 6. So it is 6. If you are going to calculate this, the value will be 6 here. Similarly, gamma equals to R minus R2 plus X2. Now the value of R is here 6. R2 is your 5. S2 is your 6. Okay. If you are going to calculate it, the answer will be 6.5. Now gamma R minus R2 plus S2. Okay. Now the value of R is here 7. R2 is your 5. S2 is your 6. Now calculate it. You will get the 7. Now after calculating the value of alpha, beta and gamma, you will get this output. Okay. Now next step is what? You have to write the exact value of the output. Okay. If it is 0, it is okay. Write it right. If it is 0.66, make it round figure, that is 1. If it is 0.4, so make it 0. Okay. Similarly, if it is 1.32, make it round figure, that is 1. Here is 2, we will take it as it is, 4 as it is, 6 as it is, 6.5, right? So I will write 7 here and 7 as it is. So this is out of our output gray level. Okay. Now after calculating this, we will place this value in the image. Okay. So hence the contrast stretching image is given by this. This is our what? Given image 4, 3, 2, 1. This one. Okay. Now what we will do? Where the value of 4 means the value of pixel. Pixel is given by R. Okay. When the pixel is your 4, what is the output? It is also 4. Okay. So just replace this 4 by 4. Now when the value of pixel is 3, what is the output? when the value of pixel is 3, means the value of R is 3, then the output is what? 2. So I have just replaced this 2. Okay. Similarly, when the value of pixel or R is 2, then if the value of R is 2, then the output is your 1. Right. So I have placed there 1. Similarly, if it is 1, okay, here is 1, here is 1, here is 1. So if the value of pixel is 1, okay, then the output will be your 0.66, which is 1. So I have placed, where we have 1, I have placed all 1 there. Okay, where are 3, there I have placed 2. 1, 2, 3. So 2, 2, 2. Okay, similarly for 6, if the pixel is 6, what is the output? That is 7. Okay, so wherever there is a 6, we will place, here is 6, we will place 7 here. So this is our contrast stretching image. Hope you understand this, how to get the contrast stretching image. Okay, if you have any doubt, you can ask. Thank you.